You win this fight and you return to the front line, but if you lose, you're done.
Dude, what?
Capture the objective.
Oh my god. Pistols are so broken in this game. They literally don't work. The sights are not where the bullets go.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
That hurts my soul, but I know it's true. I don't know if I'm like, I like to be stubborn.
2 hours later.
Gotcha, bitch! Why are you running? Why are you running?
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
I love you. I love you.
Run.
Run, bitch! Run!
FBI, open up!
500. Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Down.
Gas is closing
Long way
in.
to the safe zone. We need to move.
Got him. Team wipe. Team wipe. Team wipe. One more. I'm dead. Thank you. 1-on-1.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is a win.
Let's go! Bandit with the clutch. Oh my god, I team wiped that last